Welcome to the Market Alert for Wednesday, the 15th of June 2016. So today is D-Day. Today is the day whether Yellen decides to increase rates or leave them unchanged, and I suspect she's going to leave them unchanged. That's my take on it, and that's because there will be enough market volatility next week as we head into the Brexit vote. So along with that, and also the poor non-farm payroll figures from a week and a half ago, then for me it's going to remain unchanged. I'll be very surprised. The problem is she's damned if she does, damned if she doesn't. The credibility is shot, as with all central bankers. They haven't got a clue what they're doing now, and the market has proven this over the last few days. We've seen the market moving lower whilst waiting for this decision. You will get a rally from it if she says that she's not going to increase rates. That will be a relief for the market. But then from tomorrow, I suspect that we'll see the resumption of the downside. And yesterday, this was reflected in the first two trades. We were down 74 points in the first two. I was going to send a note out and say stand aside. This is the market was sideways. But then the volatility returned and we got a bit of momentum to the downside, which is always encouraging. And then as the market traded through the quiet part of the session, the volatility then and momentum increased once more. We're seeing the markets coming back. And then in the evening session, there were 60 points available on the table. This price bar here is the plunge protection team coming in. And you can see them driving the market back to the upside as well, because we had got down to another support level of 17,600, bearing in mind that we were playing with the 18,000 level only last week, so 400 points down. The market is low enough for the plunge protection team to actually come in and move prices back to the upside. In the daily chart, you can see this as well, with the volume quite significantly higher in yesterday's price bar. This type of price action, by the way, where it comes off the lows, if you look at this bar here, you could expect to see this market move higher, and of course that will happen if Yellen decides to keep rates unchanged as well. It's as if they're already anticipating that rates are going to remain unchanged, and then they'll move the market back to the upside there. In the news, well, there's only one news item today really that's worth looking for, and that's the 7 p.m. Federal Reserve press conference market minutes. There is a bit in the afternoon. We've got the crude oil inventories, crude oil down to $47 a barrel from $50 a barrel, as well as some of these figures have already been released, showing across the board increase in oil stocks and inventories. President Bubba Weidman is speaking as well at 3 p.m. So we'll see how the market reacts to this, but it's only a medium impact news item there. And then what else have we got? Everything else is out before the market opens. On the implied volatility, this 1554, just rounding over slightly for yesterday. But as you can see there, we've got this uptick in potential risk coming back into the market there for the downside. So really that's all there is to report today. Again, it's going to be a difficult one to call in the first part of the session, because we can either get a really good rally or a good sell-off, and then the market return to normal by 7 p.m, or we will be very quiet up until the main event at 7 p.m. But the interesting thing will be from 7 p.m, or the interesting market volatility, but we'll have to wait and see what happens. But at least it will be out of the way after today, and we can get back to seeing a more increased momentum and volatility in the market and bigger moves. Right, we'll see you in tomorrow's Market Alert. If there's anything else to report in today's activities, then I will let you know via email. Other than that, see you in tomorrow's Market Alert. Thanks for watching.